The monkey singing at the tree. Mr. Alligator can't catch me. You can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Wanna met the alligator. Shut the door. Open his mouth and snap. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Mr. Alligator can't catch me. You can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 na. Can't catch me. No, Mr. Alligator, what's it going to do? Open his mouth and snap. Now there's 1, 2, 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree. This alligator can't catch me. You can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Alligator running the tree. Open his mouth and snap. Now there's 1, 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree. Mr. Alligator can't catch me. You can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. The alligator climbs at the beat. Open his mouth and snap. Now there's 1 more left. 1 little monkey swinging in the tree. Mr. Alligator can't catch me. You can't catch me. No, you can't catch me. Na, 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 can't catch me. Mr. Alligator now is almost done. Opens up his mouth and snap. Now there's 1, 2, 1, 0. There's 1, 0. That's all the monkey is.